Hey guys, Mixed Media Girl here. So I got myself a brand new box of the Arteza pouring paints. And so I'm going to do something I haven't done in a while. I'm going to use all of the colors in a pour. There are 28 different colors in here. I'm using a 20 by 20 canvas. So I need about 25 ounces of paint. I have 3 lowly Veffe bowls here that I'm going to fill up. Now when I've done this before, it has been, I've either done like warm to cold colors or cold to warm colors. This time I'm going to just do it completely random. I'm going to go down the rows of colors so that it's quite a wide variety. This is going to take me a while, so I'm going to go ahead and speed this part up. All right, I've got all my colors ready to go. So I'm going to pour these one at a time. And here we go. All right, I'm actually going to do this as a recurring, which is a technique I got from Molly, from Molly's Artistry. I'll put a link down in the description so you can check her channel out if you haven't already. She is amazing. But basically, I'm just going to take a stick, and I'm going to go through, and I'm going to literally, as it sounds, wreck this ring. And this has become quickly one of my favorite techniques. I think that is plenty. Don't want to overdo it. One thing I do want to do is put a little bit of additional paint around the sides. So I'm just going to go ahead and use the rest of this bottle of white. I just want to make sure we have plenty of paint here. And I have another partial white bottle I'll use as well. Okay, I'm ready to go ahead and tilt. I definitely find it's better with these larger paintings when you just take your time. So make sure you get enough paint on there. Tilt nice and slow. Especially with the larger paintings, definitely make sure you have enough paint. I think that's probably the primary issue people have with doing larger paintings, is they don't use nearly enough paint. There we go. That is beautiful. So colorful. I love it. All right, let's let this sit here for a little bit, see if anything happens to develop. This paint doesn't tend to get cells on its own without any silicone or anything, but you know, we'll let it sit here and then we'll do our close-up. All right, starting in the lower right-hand corner, look at the amazing lines on this one. So gorgeous, and I love the total mixture of colors, how it's, you know, neons and metallics and warm colors and cool colors. Very gorgeous, and I love these corners. That is so pretty. So there you guys go. Super fun 28 color acrylic pour with the Arteza pouring paints. These are just ready to go right out of the box. You don't need to mix them with anything, so super convenient. Link for all materials in the description. Thanks for watching. I'll see y'all next time.